Welcome to ABE 170A1. Let's take a look and see what we've got lined up for you. Well, take a look here on the screen. First of all, you can see we have announcements. We can get to those each week by going up here to announcements, and we can take a look. And what this is important is for you to take a look and understand about the opportunity, the very first opportunity to get engagement points, which will happen this week. Wednesday from 2 to 4 in my office, Shantz 528, or you can Skype me at stephen.poe from 5:30 to 6:30. On Thursday from 11 to noon and 1 to 3 in my office, and 5 to 6 for Skype. And then Friday, Skype only from 9 to noon. So if you can come in and you can take a look at the syllabus and the material, come in and talk to me for 1 or 2 minutes. I get to know you a little bit, you get to know me, and you can get 10 easy points. That's 1% added onto your grade, which turns out to be a big deal towards the end of the course. Okay, I do have students ask questions all the time. Can I make an individual appointment to come in and do this? No. I have a lot of students, and so I set aside times, including times in the evening, when people can Skype in. And if you're working, in case you do, that'll let you know how much time it takes. Very few minutes. Take a look at how we're set up here. I've got information about me, about my teaching assistant Caitlin, and where you can find us in office hours, things like that. Go over here to the Content tab. When you're ready to get started, Content. You can take a look at Getting Started. This gives you information about the course. You can see click here to start. This tells you how to navigate. This is stuff that's put together by D2L to let you know how to get around in the course. Okay. You'll find information about system requirements, who to contact, netiquette, online success, what's next, things like that. The syllabus you can also find here. We do have a PDF version that I probably sent to you via email, as well as here. And so you can click on each of these different things to see the syllabus and what's involved. Okay, so that's information. It's really important that you read the syllabus, because a lot of the details for this course are in the syllabus, and this course is all about following directions. So hopefully you'll take the time to be able to take a look at the syllabus information. Let's go back here now to the weekly modules. And now you can see the introductory module. And the introductory module consists of, each module actually consists of readings, videos, usually some kind of homework activity and or quiz. And the quiz, I call them quizzes or homework activities, but they're open book and open notes, so you can call them whatever you want to call them. But each week there's some questions that you have to answer along with some kind of assignments. So let's take a look at how this looks. So when you pull it up, you'll see something like this, usually some introductory information about this. This module is required to be completed before you can access any of the other modules. It's important. Why? Because we cover things in here like plagiarism, and the course directions here is the first thing it says, review the syllabus. Okay, so we've already done that. Let's go back and see what's next. After the syllabus is the video, and you can see here, day 1 welcome. That's the video that you're currently watching right now. Accidental plagiarism video, and we can take a look at what that would look like.
This is my first quarter in college, and it was a lot harder than what I remember it to be in high school.
Okay, and we're not going to watch that whole thing, but needless to say, that young lady got in trouble with some accidental plagiarism. I have that problem every once in a while with people that turn in work that they did for other classes, and they don't realize that that's actually plagiarism if you don't reference the other class and give yourself credit, the proper kind of credit for that class. Another video that shows the proper way to paraphrase, that's a really good little exercise. And then a little 4-minute introduction to the video that we're going to be doing actually for the next module. And this is about,
I think the average American family probably has a bit of difficulty visualizing.
Okay, starts out like a horror movie, and I think probably that's the best description of our current infrastructure. So you might want to check that out, and it'll be the topic for discussions and other assignments that we're going to do. And let's go back now to, let's close this one out. There we go. And we're back to our introduction. And you can see that takes care of everything except, I think we have the introductions. Okay, so the introductions are to actually give you an opportunity to go and make a video post introducing yourself to your group members by creating a post with your name, major, hometown, and interests. Okay, so that'll be the first discussion. Each week there's a discussion, and then the week after that there would be a response to a discussion. So that'll give you an opportunity to do that. There are examples in all of this in content as well. So that's the introductory module. You need to complete that, and you need to answer the questions for the introductory module, I think, which would be down here. Let's see if that's it. Yeah, so that says quiz details. And you can actually try this one twice. So hopefully you'll get a perfect score on it. But it do make sure that you do everything in there first before you try and complete it. Back to the next module would be Module 1. Remember, you need to complete the introductory module first before you can do Module 1. And you can see now you've got objectives, you've got a little bit of an intro, and you can see what you've got, the same format: readings, video, and introductions. And then we always have a survey afterwards, and that's just a quick couple of questions to let us know how we're doing. You can answer and say what was your favorite thing about the module or what didn't you like. So it's anonymous, and it gives us a chance to get feedback on how we're doing. All right, so hopefully that will cover the basics of the introduction. I've got more videos and excitement throughout the semester, so stay tuned, and thanks for being part of my class, and I hope you have a great experience.